Hello everyone, so now we are going to do the multi-area lab, OSPF multi-area. So I can write here like OSPF multi-area. Multi-area means more than one area. Till now we are doing only area 0 or sometime we are using area 1 only. But now we are going to use area 0, area 1. If possible we can take area 2 also. We will have the multi-area. If you remember before we told, if you want to make communication, example this side you have area 1, here you have area 2. If you connect like this it will not work. You need to have the backbone area, that is area 0 in between. So this should connect here one router and that will connect here, so it will work. This one no need. So area 0 is must in between. So now we will design one topology and we will do. So what I will do, I will take some router. I will take one router here. I can say R1, R2. This one is R3 and R4. Then let me rename here. I will say this is R1, this is R2. This one is R3. This one is R4. Now we will connect. So here I connected, then from here to here, from here to here. And what we can do here, like here we can create some loopback. So I will put here and we can say this is the loopback, or you can connect to the switch and assign the IP. So instead of connecting switch, connecting PC, just I will say this is a loopback. So imagine this is a computer or this cable from this router, it is connecting to the, what we can say, connecting to the switch only. So generally in the lab we can use loopback directly, and also loopback we are using for the router ID purpose also. So if you don't want to use loopback, you can take one switch and connect the switch here, assign the IP to the interface. But this one here we are not learning how to connect the switch, how to assign the IP to the computer. Here directly we are focusing most important thing, that is a routing protocol. So we are learning how to configure routing protocol. So instead of connecting switch we can use the loopback and we can do the configuration. So I will take here, let me put here IP schema, whatever we are planning to use, or I can put here this shape with different colors. So we can say this is a area, we can say this is a area like 1. This is area 1 we can say, and here we can say I will take this one as a area 2. And I can select any one here, maybe I can say this is a area 0. So here let me write, I will say this side I am using as a area 0 because area 0 is must. He is going to connect that one. Here this two router, this interface and this interface of the router will be in the area 1. And here this router, this interface F0 by 0 in the area 2, and this router, this interface F0 by 1 will be in the area 2. But this router, this interface will be in the area 0. Same thing, this router, this interface F0 by 0 will be in the area 0. IP schema we can use as we are using from starting 192.168.12.0/24. Here I can use like 192.168.13.0/24. And this side we can use 192.168. This one 24.0/24. This is clear, no confusion here. And here we can create the loopback, like I can say loopback 0 I can give anything, I can give 3.3.3/8, or if you want to put all you can put 32 or 24, that is up to you. I am putting /8. And here I can create one loopback, that is loopback 0. I can create loopback 0 here, I can create loopback 0 here. Both are different because this is present in this router, this is present in this router. So no problem. Like this router is having this interface and same this router is also having this interface. So no issue. Now I will put here like this, and this loopback 0 will be in the same area 1. This one are in the same area, so I will write here also this is area 1, and this is area 2. This loopback is also in the area 2, so I can write here this is also area 2. So this is a network topology. We need to do this one. This is our lab. We have the multi-area. So let me take the notepad. We can do in the notepad. I will take this one here, and we can write here this is a OSPF multi-area lab. I will write OSPF multi-area lab, and then I can say R1 configuration. First we will start from R1 configuration. We will write enable config T host name R1. Then we have the interface F0 by 0. This one I am doing. This is the interface F0 by 0. So what IP we have? We have IP address. As we told, we will use this one. So we will assign here 192.168.12.1 here, and here will be 12.2. You know already this one. From long time we are doing same concept, same logic we are using. So this way I wrote, this is a method to assign the IP address in the interface, and we will write no shut. And then you have another interface for this router. You will write interface F0 by 1, and you will write IP address. You will write here 192.168. You have 13.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and then you can write no shut. What we done, just we assign the IP address to the interface. Now we need to do the OSPF configuration. So here I can write like router OSPF 1. Then I can do the interface method. I can write interface F0 by 0. I can go under this interface, enable the OSPF. So how we are enabling? We will write IP OSPF 1 area. Which area? Here this interface are in area 0. So I will write area 0. Then I can copy paste the same thing here. If you see this, I can change this port 0 by 1. But here you need to observe carefully. This is in the area 1. So here you should change area 1. How about this? This is a process ID. Whatever you put here, you will put the same here. So no need to change this one. This is a method to configure the OSPF by using the interface method. You will write router OSPF 1, then interface. You will go under this interface and you will write IP OSPF. What process ID you use here, you are going to use the same process ID here. IP OSPF 1, because I am using here 1 before. Then area. This interface is in area 0, so I will write area 0. This interface are in area 1, so I wrote area 1. That's all. This is only the configuration for R1. No confusion here, right? This is simple. Already we learned before also. Only we need to focus and we need to check like which interface is assigned to which side. That we need to carefully observe. This interface in which area we need to monitor that one. Now I will copy these from here to here and we can paste here. First time I will write no here. Then we can paste and check. When we paste, we need to observe carefully. Sometime we will have an error here. Some commands may be wrong, but now everything is good. I need to save the configuration. I will write WR to save the configuration. R1 configuration is completed. Now we need to do the R2. So I will copy here just to save the time. Instead of typing, I can paste here and I can modify. I am doing for this one example R2. So this will be R2, this will be R2, and this interface IP 12.2, and this one will be 24.2 or 24.1. Clear, right? Here. And now router OSPF 1 interface IP OSPF 1 area 0. This is area 0 only, so this remains same here. But here F0 by 1, this one you have in area 2, so you will change this as a 2. That's all. This is a R2 configuration. I will copy and I will paste this in this router, R2 router. I paste it here.